Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to upload Steam artwork. Now this will be a step-by-step guide and we shall go to the first step. Now you can see over here, this is a traditional approach to this, and for this case, we shall be using the browser console method. Now step number 1 says, be at least on Steam level 10. Now this means guys, not everyone can upload Steam artwork. You have to be on Steam level number 10. For my case, I'm not yet on Steam level number 10. Now, if you're on Steam level number 10, utilize the Steam Community Artwork FAQ or question and answer to showcase these features. Now, let's go to step number 2. It says open up Steam Artwork and then upload page. So you have to open up the Steam Artwork on the upload page as it says on your desktop browser. For my case, I'm using desktop, and if I was on level number 10, quickly I'll just come to my Steam over here, sign in, and then go to step number 2. Alright, so it's preferably good to use Chrome or Firefox. You can see this is Chrome that we are running on. Now let's go to step number 3. It says fill out the title, select your image, and then check if it is certified to be created as artwork. Now you have to tick a check mark box for that. Step number 4, it says click anywhere in the blank web page to select inspect, then click console and then inspect panel. After that, click on the upload and save changes. Now basically it's a series of 7 steps you have to follow, okay? But something critical is that you have to be on level number 10. So thanks for watching guys. We shall meet once again.